Getting started with MongoDB, Section 4. Introduction to MongoDB. In this video and section, we'll explore the MongoDB database management system of the mean stack. Here's a list of some key features of MongoDB. MongoDB is represented by this letter M in the mean stack. It's an open source, NoSQL database management system that can store many types of complex unstructured data, perfect for big data applications. Let's take a look at a little bit of history of the MongoDB system here. So it was created in 2007 by a company called 10gen at the time. It's now called MongoDB Inc., of course. And the name Mongo is short for the word humongous, which was intended for storing huge data during the explosion of the big data back in the early 2000s. So it's known for its document-oriented database model. It's made up of collections or tables in RDB&MS and documents, also called records or rows or tuples. Now, MongoDB stores data in a binary representation of JSON-like documents called BSON. So let's take a look at some of the MongoDB objects. MongoDB, of course, has a server that stores databases, just like the RDB&MS systems. These databases are just physical containers or sets of files that store what we call collections. Collections are equivalent to tables in RDB&MS, and they contain a collection of documents, or we call it records in RDB&MS. And so these documents are again contain a set of key value pairs identical to JSON format as you see here, which is why it's a JSON format structure like. Now let's take a look at the document, which is the heart of MongoDB collections or data. A MongoDB is a document-oriented database system in which one collection can hold different documents. So here is a collection called providers that contains 3 documents or records. And a document in Mongo is a schemaless, which means it's unstructured. Therefore, just like JSON data, the structure of one document can differ from another. In other words, the number of columns and fields can vary in each document. And now, all 3 documents you see here are completely valid, and whereas they would not be valid in a relational database system. However, in this course, we're not going to be using something as unstructured as you see here. We're going to use something much simpler. So for the sake of simplicity and consistency, we'll be using a collection of documents with the same size and the same structure in this course.